Welcome to the Health Made Easy podcast. Health advice so easy, you'll feel more confident about your body, health, and life. And now, your host, Dr. Connie Jean.
Hey everyone, so it's Q&A Friday. We have lots of good questions, and first question comes from Nicole Ramirez. She asks, on the elimination diet, can you have bread? I'm guessing no, not listed. Also, can you guys recommend any lupus doctors in the Dallas area that don't want to just put medicine down your throat? Having a hard time after I say I prefer to not get on any meds. So bread is okay, but gluten-free bread only. Try going to, so gluten-free bread only, but I would recommend for any autoimmune patients, especially us lupus patients, to stay away from as much carbs as possible, even on the elimination diet plan. And as for the doctors in the Dallas area, try going to the Institute of Functional Medicine website and look under your state and in your locality. It'll pop up all the doctors in that area that have an open mind about, again, functional medicine, which is a holistic way to treat lupus. They have lots of resources there, okay? Second question comes from Ashley. She asks, what helps fatigue? Well, it's actually a complex question. So lupus can potentially cause metabolic dysfunction, leaky gut, nutrient deficiency, and hormonal imbalance. So focusing on changing your diet would be the first thing, and then consider taking some supplements to help you with fatigue, mostly the ones that impact inflammation like curcumin, fish oil, CoQ10, and probiotics. And in due time, as you get more repleted with nutrients in your cells, you should be able to have more energy in your body. And then if that doesn't work, there's a line of tests that we can talk about. But I think if you start there, that would be a good thing. And again, the best diet to start with is the elimination diet. So the third question comes from Jess English, and she asks, how do you combat hair loss? So this is a very personal issue for me. Look at my hair. It's been a long time coming, and I treasure my hair like my life depends on it almost, because when I lost a lot of hair, it was a very scary experience. So when immune system is overloaded, coupled with nutrient malabsorption from gut permeability, also known as leaky gut, your body is not able to absorb the nutrients to supply your hair with nutrients. So healing the gut and increasing gut absorption while modifying your food and taking appropriate supplements will help. I'm living proof. I sell these supplements, and if I go off of it, my lupus beauty support, I can notice a significant difference in my hair. And I have lots of patients on it. It's really a no-brainer. Go to lupuspharmacywithf.com. We'll provide you with the link if you're interested. Next question comes from Adiza Noor, and she asks, been having high BP lately. Is it normal? No, it's not normal. Metabolic dysfunction, again, is at the core of autoimmunity. Also, pain and stress can also affect your blood pressure, as would the medications you might be taking. So I would check with your doctor if it's consistently high and make sure all is good. Number 5, this question comes from Lisa Bert-Tolson, and she asks, I have had nausea and vomiting with dizziness for the last several months. I'm on Plaquenil and have recently changed to Methotrexate injections from pills. Some days I can barely get out of bed or off the couch because I'm so sick. So Methotrexate side effects can be part of it. Remember, it's the lesser of the two evils. I would talk to your doctor and see what are the options, because if the intervention that's supposed to be helping is not helpful, why continue? So ask for other options in this regard, okay? Next question comes from Terry Underhill Uderkirk. Anyone having any luck adding herbal oil supplements to the therapy regimen? I've had success with raspberry and an evening bed spray of cinnamon, orange, and clove. So With the oils and herbals, I'm a little cautious because they can be potent, so potent. So I would get guidance from a healthcare professional with knowledge and training in this area because it can really cause toxicity as well. As far as what's working for you, as long as it's natural, hey, if it's working, I always tell my patients, even if it's a placebo effect, it's a good thing and it's not harming you in any way. But with the herbals and essential oils, again, I'm a little cautious. So check with your healthcare professional that you trust. Next question comes from Heather K. Robinson. She has two-part questions. The first question is, I have zero stamina and struggle to find energy to shower even twice a week. What is usually done for lupus patients to help with this? Well, if you're talking about conventional medical interventions, they would give you corticosteroids or other types of biologics that are chemotherapeutic in agents to suppress your immune system. But the way we would do it is to change your diet, restore that leaky gut, and take the necessary supplements to help your body produce energy at the cellular level. We need to be healing our immune system, bringing all the inflammation down to a level where our bodies can function at its optimal. So that's a key thing. It's pretty common sense, right? Second part of your question is, I have all over pain all the time. Does fibromyalgia tend to overlap with lupus? Yes. Fibromyalgia and lupus are both inflammatory conditions that can cause lots of inflammation. Anytime we have inflammation in our bodies, it means it's going to have pain signaling in our bodies in such a way to perpetuate this pain cycle. So it's a systemic inflammation that we have to get a hold of. Again, nourishing your body with an elimination diet, first and foremost, think about what you can be doing right now, here, today. And those are things that you can do, like incorporating some movements, gentle stretches that I go over on a weekly basis, some breathing techniques that I went over just this week, applying the elimination diet guide into your diet, and also making sure that you're modifying or reducing your stress level and just really be in tune with your body, because nobody can possibly care about your health more than you. Trust me. So with that, I hope you feel empowered, and all the links will be shared below. I encourage you guys to please visit lupusrebel.com, alkalinewellness.com. We've been pretty active on the Instagram channels for both two, at Alkaline Wellness and at Lupus Rebel. So you can find us with specials and Insta stories there as well as subscribe to our podcast, Health Made Easy, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel. So with that, I'll see you guys next week.
Thanks for listening to the Health Made Easy podcast. www.drconniejean.com